Here's how to make elephant toothpaste. Your ingredients you're going to need are hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, dry yeast, water, a tray, measuring tools, and a container. Step 1. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap into the container. Step 2. Measure 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide and pour into the container. Step 3, mix in a swirling motion. Step 4, put the container on a tray. You want to prevent a mess. Step 5, in a separate cup, mix 1 tablespoon yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. Step 6, stir until you have a slurry. That's kind of like thick water. Step 7, pour yeast into the hydrogen peroxide container. Step 8, observe. It is very, very important to note that the reaction is exothermic and very, very hot. So please do not touch it. You can touch it after, just not during.